Hi, I'm Joy Daniels with Joy Daniels Real Estate Group. Are you concerned about selling your home in this fast-changing market? We're here for you. Come and attend our free in-person home selling workshop with industry experts on September 28th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the Giant Supermarket Community Center at 2300 Lingelstown Road in Harrisburg. It's called How to Get Top Dollar in the Fall and Winter Home Selling Market. We will answer all of your home selling questions. RJ Harris will kick off the evening, followed by our panel of seasoned professionals that will share their secrets to success, covering various aspects of the home selling process, from staging and marketing to negotiating and closing the deal. You'll gain valuable insights that will give you a competitive edge. If you have specific questions, please submit them in advance so we can try to answer them during the event. Here are some starter questions that we're going to discuss. Can I purchase a home before selling my current one? Is now a good time to sell? Are home prices dropping? Are buyers motivated right now? What mistakes should I avoid? How do I get rid of my stuff? How do I attract home buyers now? Should I pre-inspect my home? If you're thinking about selling your home, reserve your spot today. If you have any questions about the event or real estate, don't hesitate to reach out via phone 717-695-3177 or email info@joydaniels.com, and we look forward to hearing from you and seeing you at the free seminar.